So have you listened to any health podcasts lately for diet advice or some YouTube videos? What are you supposed to do? Is meat good or bad? Is vegan the way to go or guaranteed to make you nutrient deficient? Right? Eggs are okay, dairy's good for you, dairy's not good. It can be a mess. It is a mess. It's completely exhausting, overwhelming. And let's do some EFT tapping together to help kind of cut through all of the emotional confusion, frustration, and help us get to our own answers on this, our own guidance. So go to the side of the hand, repeat after me. So even though it's totally confusing, totally overwhelming, trying to discover what diet is best for me, or what foods are even good or harmful. And I choose to honor and accept myself where I'm at. Even though I might be feeling frustrated, confused and conflicted, not sure what to do as far as what's best for my body. And I choose to have compassion for myself. So even though it's totally overwhelming, there's so much conflicting advice that's not only saying what is best, but people are outright telling me that certain foods are bad or dangerous for me, or my situation or condition. And then another expert says the exact opposite. I don't know what to do, but I choose to honor and accept myself and open to connecting to my body and finding out what's right for me. And let's go through the points now and say, this is overwhelming. It's very confusing. I'm hearing a lot of conflicting advice. And it's about something pretty important. It's about my health. And maybe I'm trying to optimize and figure out what's going to give me the most energy. And people are saying caffeine is evil, or that it's totally harmless or even good for you. Or this diet is great for your energy or mitochondria. And another person saying it'll ruin your health in the long term. And I don't know what to do with that. And maybe it's something a little more sensitive. Maybe I'm dealing with a particular condition. Heart challenges or obesity, autoimmune condition. It feels pretty important to know what's going to help and what's going to hurt. But I'm hearing conflicting information. Fruit is good. Fruit is bad because it has sugar. Red meat causes cancer. Red meat is the most nutrient-dense food in the world. All these extreme ideas I'm getting. That this food is good or bad. And all the success stories that make it more confusing. Wow, this person has what I have. And they did this and they feel amazing now. I want that result. And then there's another case of another person saying why that diet is awful, or how it wrecked their life. And I don't know what to do with that. And I might not feel like I trust the conventional models. I might not feel like I trust doctors. And perhaps a lot of the videos I've watched or podcasts I've listened to have told me that the system is corrupt or can't be trusted. But then who do I trust? Do I trust the person on the podcast who's always selling something? It's hard to know what to do. And I'm allowing myself to process all the emotion. Any part of me that's frustrated, agitated. Any part of me that's desperate to try to find the perfect answer. That believes that a certain approach or diet will be the magic bullet for me. Or just wanting to even know what to do and feeling lost and confused. Allowing myself to process this and allowing me to explore a deeper connection to my own body. An ability to feel what's right for me. Letting go of the rigid ideas that things are good or bad. And of course, there are certain things, like eating a ton of refined sugar, probably not great for me. But letting myself turn to the basics, letting myself connect to my own body, letting myself experiment, allowing myself not to believe anyone on face value. And if I need to add or remove things, I can do it gradually. I can see what happens. I can trust my own body's reactions. Allowing myself to let go of fear. All the fear that makes me believe this person is right or wrong. These foods are good or bad and will hurt me. And allowing myself to be more grounded. Allowing myself to find the information, the guidance that's right for me. And the more clear and relaxed I am, the more I will be able to feel what's a good match for me, who's a reasonable person I can get guidance from, what types of things I might need to check or measure in my body. This is all very personal. So letting go of the noise and letting this be a natural and healthy process of discovery for me, without dogma, without fear, without believing anyone on face value. Allowing this to be clear and simple for me. Opening up more and more to that possibility. All right, let's take a breath. I hope that helped you. Tried to cover a lot of different angles on that. Let me know how it's going for you. There's links down below if you want to connect with some more of my work, do some more tapping together. I hope to see you on another video soon. All right, take care.